Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will tell about Pleasance revolt in Pabna. Pleasance revolt in Pabna presently in Bangladesh is an ideal example of how the questions of rent created bitter relationship between the zamindars and the rohits. The Tenancy Act of 1859 was put into force to safeguard the interest of rich peasants landed peasantry. It was expected that the two classes of people would act as precursor to the development of agriculture. In reality, however, this did not happen. The zamindars did never follow the provision of the act. While the Tenancy Act did not allow occupancy right to the peasants, allowed the zamindars to enhance rent at their sweet will. Official records show the enhancement of rent proceeded after 1859. The peasants were forced to pay increased rent falling with they was evicted. In such a condition, the discontent of the peasants found expression in locally organizing resistance to the zamindars. The resistance finally took the shape of a revolt in 1873 when an agrarian league was formed at Isafzai in the Pabna district in present Bangladesh. All evidence show that the revolt was due to the enhancement of rent by the zamindars. The characteristic feature of the revolt was that the Muslim peasants of Pabna fought hand in hand with the Hindus. The revolt took the form of a rent strike as the peasants refused to pay rent to the zamindars. Leaders of the movement came from the rich peasants, Jyotidhar village headman and others. Ishan Chandra Roy, a small talukdar and a trader called Bidrohi Raja by the rebel peasants, was an important leader. He, with his assistants Sambhunath Pal, moved from village to village organizing the league. Kodi Mola, a Muslim Jyotidhar, also organized the peasants against the zamindar. As the Act of 1859 had failed to ensure security of the roads, the Bengal Tenancy Act was passed in 1885. The Act sought to protect the interest of the roads. If you like this video, then please do like, subscribe and share to our channel.